That's what she said. Yep, that's what she said.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all the fastest and easiest way to do a natural hair high puff. If you are natural or if you're relaxed, even if your hair is short, you can do this puff as long as it'll go into a ponytail. But before we get into that, I do want to show you all my lip color because I know I'm going to get questions. I absolutely love rocking a chocolate lip. It kind of gives me Lauryn Hill vibes. And I actually achieved this look with an eyeshadow pencil by Jordana. It's colored Tenacious Brown. I usually outline my lips first and then fill them in, and voila, you have the look. Super pretty and perfect for the fall. Now let's tackle this hair. As you all know, I've recently straightened my hair and it's looking really interesting to say the least. This last week of having my hair straightened, I just had two chunky twists pinned down in the back, and I wore some kinky blowout clip-ins that you all saw in my Shein haul. I've also done wigs over this hair and I've been working out. My husband's had me doing bike riding and we've been going to the gym. He's been training me lately. So this straight hair really didn't stand a chance. So this is the current state of my hair. I am going to wash it soon, but before I wash it, I wanted to do this style because I found as a type 4 natural, and you guys can see my roots a little bit, how they sweat it out, but it's easier for me to do my hair when it's stretched out. It takes a lot less time when it's actually stretched. So I was like, let me capitalize on this. Let's go ahead and do the puff now, so then I don't have to do all this extra work in order to get it into a ponytail. So the hair that I'm going to be using is by Her Given Hair. I know you all probably thought that was my hair and you're like, what kind of magic did she work to get her hair to look curly? Y'all, they have natural hair puffs now. And when you look at it coming out of the package, listen.
Oh my God!
Don't be alarmed like I was when I first saw it. I was like, what's going on with the texture? It's in the Coily texture, and I did get it in color 1B. The inside construction of it looks like this. It does have two combs, and it's a drawstring ponytail. So this is going to easily fit over your ponytail, and you can take the string and adjust it in order to tighten it over your ponytail, and it's going to fit really snug. But the texture just looks like that because it was smashed in the packaging. So I'm going to put it on my mannequin head, and y'all, it looks like Rick James or something putting it on the mannequin head like that, or even the guys who wear those man weaves. That's what it reminded me of, which is so funny. But I'm just putting T-pins in it just to secure it onto the mannequin head so that I can define the curls. So guys, use the T-pins. It's going to be easy for you guys to actually position it on your mannequin and get it to look the way that you desire. I started by spraying water on the hair first just to give it some moisture, and then I'm going to follow it up with one of my favorite natural hair products, which is the Softy Naturals Curl Enhancer. I love that product. I use it on my natural hair and it's so thick, so moisturizing, and great for defining curls. So after spraying the water on, I'm just using my fingers in order to distribute the product generously all over the hair. And guys, you could actually do a perm rod set on this puff and it looked really nice. You could do a little side puff. There are just a number of different ways that you can style. I'm using my detangling brush by Felicia Leatherwood also to detangle the curls. I do have to let you all know that although I'm using this method in order to create my puff and define the curls and everything, that it would look so much better and the curls are going to pop so much more if you wash and define using a conditioner. It's just going to look amazing. This is the amount of shedding that I received. I also got my hair in color 1B. There is a natural color which has more of a brown undertone to it, and then you can get it in color 1B. Now my hair, I usually dye it like a natural black using Dark and Lovely, and so my hair doesn't match natural color, but color 1B is a perfect match. So right now I'm just using a wide tooth comb in order to gather my hair and pull it up into a ponytail just to begin gelling it down and making sure it's nice and laid. And I'm going to show you all how I go about that process as well. I love using this product on my edges first after applying water. So using this small spray bottle, I spray that all over my edges, and then I'm going to follow it up with the Curl Defining Glaze by Dark and Lovely. So I'm just going to let you all watch this process and then I'll come back on in a moment.
This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else.
All right, so now that my hair hair is fully moisturized and positioned properly at the top, I'm going to begin adding a hair tie. And for this stage in the process, we're not going to do it tight. We're just putting it on just to gather the hair and keep it in position while we gel our edges. The gel that I like to begin using when slicking my hair down is the Eco Styler, and this is the one that has olive oil in it. I like to apply a generous amount of this gel first, and yes, I said first because I am going to be using another one in a moment, and then I'm going to begin brushing it up.
And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos.
Now, if your hair gets really sleek just using the Eco Styler gel, then just stop here. But I've shared with you guys that I'm a type 4 girl, and I found that Got to Be Glue in the yellow bottle just really helps to lay my hair. It gets it so sleek, and I don't have to worry about any frizz or anything throughout the day, and it just keeps everything in place, and I love that. So now I'm taking off the ponytail holder, and we're going to begin to now make it tight.
You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. You don't have to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try for real.
Now that we formed the ponytail, the next step is to do something with the hair at the top. So I'm just going to twist it up and create a little bun and pin that down.
Perfect as you are, you don't have to change, 'cause baby I love is natural. Today I saw you, almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. I love is natural. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now, you don't have to put on makeup every 'cause baby I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love is natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real.
Y'all don't even understand how much I was smiling on the inside that I can now do a bun with my natural hair. That is so freaking amazing. So now here's the easy part. So this is what the hair looks like now. It looks so much better. The curls are defined. It looks really beautiful, very natural. So we're going to put this over our ponytail, and guys, it's going to be so easy. All you have to do is insert the comb in the front first. After doing that, you're going to insert the comb in the back, pull the drawstring, wrap the drawstring around, pin it in. Fast and easy, takes like 2 seconds.
Perfect as you are, you don't have to change, 'cause baby I love is natural. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, you're naturally my favorite, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. You don't have to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling, 'cause baby I love is natural.
Y'all, this puff is a game changer. It looks so natural, so realistic, and I was able to do it in 3 to 5 minutes tops. Wow. I'm just fluffing it at the top, making sure it's the height, it's the density. It looks great the way that I want it, and we're done, y'all. It looks so beautiful. This is my favorite natural hairstyle, and I'm so happy that I could do it even while my hair was somewhat straightened and I didn't have to spend a whole lot of time doing it. Be sure to check the description box. The links and all the details for this particular puff will be down there. Like, comment, subscribe. I look forward to your feedback, and I cannot wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
You don't have to put on red